The key to a clean wood shop is having a good dust collection system that is automated and easy to use. Otherwise, having to walk over to your dust collection system and manually starting it becomes cumbersome, and you may just not use it or forget to turn it on. By using an automatic vacuum switch, you have the ability to plug your designated tool into the vacuum. And by just powering on your tool, the dust collector automatically comes to life. But what happens when the tool you're using is battery operated? This is where a regular vacuum switch falls short. To address this, Lunyee has come out with the AVS 1875 vacuum switch. What's so special about this vacuum switch, you ask? Not only does it act as a 15 amp 120 volt automatic vacuum switch, but they also include a remote to help you start and stop your vacuum, giving you the flexibility of being able to use a battery operated tool. This switch features 3 different modes. You've got power mode, which starts the vacuum 2 seconds after powering on your tool and shuts off 5 seconds after powering off your tool. The second mode is I/O power mode. The vacuum is triggered by a direct signal from your tool for 0 latency activation. And remote mode, which allows you to start your vacuum from up to 330 feet away. Lunyee sent and asked me to try this unit out. So let's unbox it and put it to the test. In the box, we have your power cable, the remote, the user manual, and the automatic vacuum switch. Some key benefits with this Lunyee switch compared to this switch here is being able to plug 2 tools and 2 vacuum dust collectors in at the same time. This is great if you have a wall-mounted dust collector and a vacuum dust separator combo cart in your shop. Or if you want to have a vacuum and a light connected that power on when you power your tool on. And the best feature that separates this from the rest of the products out there on the market is the ability to remote control your dust collector, facilitating the use of cordless tools. But before using the remote, pay close attention to these instructions right here, as you do need to pair your remote with your automatic vacuum switch. To pair the remote, switch to remote mode, then press the mode button for 1 second. The LED will blink. Release the button, then take your new remote, press the on-off button and hold for 1 second. The LED stops blinking and the pairing is complete. So is it worth it? Absolutely it is. Whether you already have an automatic vacuum switch or are in the market for a new one, this Lunyee AVS 1875 with a remote is well worth it. This product will be launched on Kickstarter, so if you're interested in supporting it, please click on the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.